eye, Jess. Good eye. Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh, way to hang with it, Brooke. Oh. It's all right. Oh, good kick. Darn. Darn.
Come on, Sarge, straight out. Go, Sarge. Keep it up.
So, plug over the outer end. It's all right, Brooke. Take it up. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Nice, Bailey. Well, I think you're down there, ain't you? If you can get out.
I'm going to have to go over on the other side. We're going to get ready to play.
I know. Can you get through?
Yeah, I can.
You want to come down this way?
No. Step off. I just hate to get bothered.
Nice serve. Oh, we got a bad break on that one. Joe made a good push, though, but he couldn't do nothing with it. Not too late yet. Well, even if we drop this 7, ain't too late, but they got to play a little tougher on the net. Hey, like that. Yeah, there you go. Oh, nice. Give me a few more of them. Take it to them instead of the other way around. You all right? You got it? Okay. Good luck, Dave. We're going to need a lot of luck on this side. We got to get moving. It's all right. Come on, Star. Get that. There you go. Perfect. Oh. Don't break your neck over there, girl. Remember what the Lindenwood coach said. Don't break your neck. She's all right, I think.